Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Podcast English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. Hi, Emily. How are you today?
Hi, Alex. I'm doing great, thank you. And you? How's your day going?
My day is going very well. Thank you for asking. I'm so happy to be here with you, Emily, and with all our amazing listeners today.
Me too, Alex. It's always a pleasure to talk about English and share new things with our friends.
Yes, exactly. And before we start our fun chat today, remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Podcast English channel. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. And if you are new here, welcome. We talk about many simple things to help you learn English easily.
That's right, Emily. So, Emily, tell us, today we have a very nice topic. That's right. What is the topic?
Yes. Today, we are going to practice a very useful topic, talking about your school or work in English.
Yes, every day people ask, what do you do? Or where do you study? It's important to answer confidently.
Let's begin with some easy sentences. Please listen and repeat. I go to school. I am a student. I go to work. I am a teacher.
Very good. Now let's make a small conversation. Emily, are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student. I go to school.
What do you study?
I study English and history. And you?
I'm not a student. I work. I am a teacher.
Now, your turn. Say, I am a student or I am a worker.
If you are a student, you can talk about your school life. For example, I go to school every day. My school is big. I study English.
Let's practice. Alex, can you ask me about my school?
Sure. Emily, where do you go to school?
I go to Central High School.
What subjects do you study?
I study English, math, and history.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I do. My teachers are very kind.
Now, try it. Say, I go to school. I study. I like my school.
Now, let's talk about work.
Yes. For example, I work in an office. I am a driver. I am a nurse.
Let's try a dialogue. Alex, what do you do?
I am a teacher. I work at a school.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like teaching students. Now, it's your turn. Say, I am a. I work at.
At school or work, we also have daily routines. For example, I start school at 8 o'clock. I have lunch at 12. I finish school at 3.
Or at work. I start work at 9. I have meetings. I finish work at 5.
Let's make a role play.
What time do you start school, Emily?
I start school at 8 o'clock. What time do you start work?
I start work at 9.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I have meetings and teach classes.
Now, say your routine. I start. I have lunch at. I finish at.
It's also good to say what you like or don't like about your school or job.
For example, I like English class. I don't like math. I like my job. I don't like meetings.
Let's try. Emily, what do you like about school?
I like English class. I don't like tests.
I like teaching students. I don't like paperwork.
Now you try. Say, I like, I don't like. Now let's practice role play. Imagine you meet a new friend.
I'll be the new friend. Hi, my name is Alex. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Emily.
Are you a student or do you work?
I am a student. I go to Central High School. And you?
I am a teacher. I work at Riverside School.
Nice to meet you. Now pause and try the role play yourself.
Let's put it all together. Hello, my name is Alex. I am a teacher. I work at Riverside School. I start work at 9 and finish at 5. I like teaching students, but I don't like paperwork.
Hello, my name is Emily. I am a student. I go to Central High School. I study English, math, and history. I start school at 8 and finish at 3. I like English class, but I don't like tests. Now, your turn. Say your full introduction.
Today, we learned how to talk about your school or work.
Yes, we practiced saying if you are a student or a worker, talking about your school subjects or your job, describing your daily routine, sharing likes and dislikes, making a full introduction.
Remember to practice step by step. You don't need to say everything at once.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
That's all for today's podcast. Thank you so much for joining us today on Podcast English Channel.
Please subscribe and share with your friends.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.